The beauty of knowing Jesus is that when we go through difficult times, we're never alone. You may feel like your faith is weak tonight, but I came to ask you, maybe you should let him carry you through this. Stop trying to be perfect. Stop trying to get it all right. And maybe you can find rest in him. You can let him carry you. No one gets to escape hard things. Hard things are a part of our stories. And the fact that you're going through something hard is not an indication of what kind of person you are or how strong your faith is. Life is hard. The beauty of knowing Jesus is that when we go through difficult times, we're never alone. He will carry us, even when we don't realize that that's what's happening. You will get through this because he's got you.